All right, guys, I know there's been a bunch of you in the past who have asked or who are curious about what it's like or what does your display look like if you don't get tire pressure monitoring systems installed on your wheels. So as you guys know, I have to drive my car in the winter quite a bit, and I just put my winter tires on. I did not get tire pressure monitors in my wheels. So I just wanted to show you guys what I have to look at all the time. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and start it up here.
How do you know you've made it?
So it started up. It instantly goes to your tire pressure monitor. It gives you that symbol. And you get the blinking yellow low tire signal over there on the right for a little while, and eventually it goes solid. So every time you start it up, you'll have your yellow light on the right, and in the center you'll have that. So you will have to go out of that screen each time you start it up. And I have heard people get black tape and put it right over it so they don't see it. But once you get out of that tire pressure monitor screen, you don't see it any longer. But it is something that you have to toggle out every time you do it. So just wanted to show you guys what you would have to deal with if it's that big of a deal if you don't get tire pressure monitors in your rims. So hope this was helpful for you guys, and like, subscribe, and comment, and I will catch you guys all soon. Take care.